Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. So first thing first, this might be the sole fault of your Wi-Fi. To access your Wi-Fi, long tap onto your Wi-Fi itself and select details. Now in here, if you have another device, you may also go ahead and see if the Wi-Fi is working in another devices. If it's working in another devices and if you cannot access it, then that might be a problem in your phone. So as you see your current Wi-Fi where you are connected to, select this settings bar icon just beside it. And for security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine, but what you have to do under settings is that you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi. So go ahead, turn off your Wi-Fi just like this, and then turn on airplane mode. And as you do that, after a couple of seconds, turn back on your Wi-Fi, and then turn off your airplane mode. Now go ahead, restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi. You may go ahead, disconnect it, and connect it again by entering the password of this Wi-Fi. Once you do all this, this should be able to fix your problem. If it's still not working, then I recommend you to simply restart the router, or you can also hard reset the router by long tapping onto the button of router. That is how it's done. Thank you for watching.